Greetings traders, welcome to my trading journal again. Today I would like to give you an update on our covered call position that we created last Sunday. Here is the position that we had opened last Sunday. We had this 60,000 call that we shorted against our underlying of zero point 0.01 bitcoins that we hold in our account. So if you haven't seen my first video, I will put a link in my description. You may just want to go over that particular video. So we shorted this call with $535 as a premium, and because you must have seen that Bitcoin had a steep fall last week. It went down from 47,000. That's when we opened this covered call position. It has gone down to almost 40,000, right? So our position, which we hold in our portfolio, is deeply hurt. But then we are not much worried about it, because that's the long term bait that we have taken. We are still bullish on Bitcoin, and we just don't want to close that position, right? So that's the notional or unrealized profit or unrealized loss that we have, but then we are not going to book it, right? So instead we are going to do first adjustment to our trade. So now if you have seen that we have 0.01 BTC call that we have shorted, and it is giving us a good amount of profit here, 4.74, and what is left in this particular call is $0.61, right? Which is, I don't think, which is very negligible. And what we are going to do today is, now we will go with our hypothesis. Bitcoin was trading in this range, $45,000 to $51,000, for quite some time. So from 4th December until it broke out on 5th January last week. It was trading in this channel, and now it has decisively broken that particular support here. I just want to roll down our call from 60,000 to 50,000, where we are getting good amount of premium here, right? We are getting $437 here. I would like to roll down my call from 60,000 to 50,000. There is a risk of reversal here if Bitcoin recovers it in a quick time. That is going to hurt our position. But then I sincerely hope, even if that happens, it is going to save us a lot of our money, a lot of our loss. It is going to recover our losses that we are incurring in our holding. I really want to see this particular strike getting into the money, but then that's the risk that we are taking. That's okay, but then that is, even if this strike gets ITM in the money, our overall position is going to immensely benefit, right? So I don't mind this strike getting in the money. So let me just open a new position, which is 50,000 call on Bitcoin on 28th of Jan 2022, which is trading at around $430. So I'm going to have the similar contracts, 0.01 BTC. That is the amount of BTC that we hold. So it is going to cost us $87. We are going to sell it, and let me just sell. Let me check this. Let me place this order. The order has been submitted, and it has not been filled as of yet. Let me check our open orders. Oh, it is showing it is disconnected. Let me check. This is the problem with this platform. Okay, so it is very slow, first thing. And okay, so now you can see, we have opened, this position has been filled in. We got this call, 50,000 call of 28th or January expiry for $428. And yeah, we have collected $429. And now what we are going to do is we are going to close this position. Again, this got disconnected. Let me try my luck again one more time. So this platform is having some problem, but then yeah, let me just close this position with $404.75. We initially received 5.35, and we are going to pay off minus or 60 cents here. So let me just close this position, 10 contracts, and confirm. So order has been submitted, and let me check. Yeah, it looks like it has been closed, but then let me refresh and confirm. So looks like our order went through. So let me check the order history here. Yeah, so yes, so this is the position that we opened on 1st of January. If you see here, with 5.35, this is the position we just opened with. We have collected $4.28, and we have closed this position with $0.62, right? So we have realized some profit here. And again, this is the open position that we have, and I will continue to update on this position, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really like the content of this particular series, consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit like and consider sharing this with your friends and family. Thank you very much again.